All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, I'm Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and what we do on the channel is we find ways to make money, and we pass those on to you. We show you how we do it, so that if you want to join some of these, you absolutely can, and you can start making some money online too. If you're landing here and you have not subscribed yet, we'd sure appreciate it. If you just hit that subscribe for us, and if you like this video, give me a like on it. Helps us out a bunch. I appreciate it. And we're going to continue today with the daily series of our Clickbank series. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using just Clickbank and a copy and paste email format. All we're doing is copy and pasting pre-written emails, and we've shown we're making a little bit of money from it. So we're going to see how long it takes us to actually come up with a decent income. All right. So let's jump right over to Clickbank and check some stats. Like always, see what's going on. All right, so nothing new. It's been a few days since we've seen anything. But like I said before, that's the way it goes. That's fine. We're going to always stay consistent and persistent. We're not going to quit. We're not going to give up. That's not our vocabulary. We just keep going. So let's go check our account and kind of see what's been going on. Let's see, affiliate. We'll just do today first. So today, 198 clicks to our link. We're sending these emails out late today. I got caught up in some jury duties, so I didn't make it on time, but anyway, they're going out today at least. That's good. So all right, let's see. So everything's still pretty well the same. We haven't really seen a lot of more impressions into our order form. Kind of surprises me, but that's fine. That's the way it goes. Our visits to our link have come up, obviously, to 7,543. And our overall, so now we're at 11,282. So that's a lot of visitors. This is day 39. So we'll have today's email and tomorrow's email, and then we're going to start a new promotion on Clickbank. We're going to move to the third one, and we'll see what it does. Maybe we'll have a little better luck on the next one. We will definitely find out. And yesterday I got a text message asking about refunds. Now, so I did see a couple of refunds, and I had not saw those until it was brought up last night, I believe it was. So let's go check that out. All the way down here. So see, there is two. Current refund, $34. So again, I mean, it's going to be kind of the way things go, it looks like. Now, even on my other businesses, I do have some refunds. Not very often, more than not quitters, but not a lot of refunds. I think with one, I've had one refund with another opportunity, my main one, and it was quick. It was like somebody had signed up, and then like the next day, they got a refund, and that's fine. It's all guaranteed refund, and it's 100% refund. So if someone decides that that's not what they want to do, they just go in and they get a refund. So understand, we don't get upset over things like this. It happens. It's life, and it's just the way it is. So let's go ahead and jump over to my lead gen secret. We'll get in the first account. And let's see. Oops. Get our first account. There we go. We'll go mailing system, select all, and then we're going to grab our subject line. If I can get my mouse to work. The subject today, right there, seeking virtual assistance. And I think we'll use this pre-header today, just to see if that makes any kind of difference for us. But we're going to grab our full email right now, Control C. I'm going to highlight everything here and Control V. And then, as always, I'm going to get rid of all this bold. And I'm just going to make it regular. And then we'll bold a few things inside the email. So we'll grab our short code with Control C. And in here, Control V, comma. And then we're going to our signature. So let's see, mine. We're going to put our ID in our hop link. Right there, you put yours in, I put mine in. And we've been bolding these. I kind of like that, so we're going to do that again. I'm going to use this pre-header in here just for something different. And then we're going to grab our link, Control C, and then let's see where we can put it. Looks like right here is a good spot. Already ready for us. And then I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to bold it this time. You can kind of do what you want, you know. So here we'll put it in again. Now this one, this time I will bold it, and I'm going to bring the size up a little bit, right to 14. All right, that's it. So I'm going to get rid of this hop link because we don't need it there anymore. And everything looks good. We got everything we need. We're going to highlight it, Control C, and then we're going to send it. Now, again, once this stops, once this is sent, we're not going to close out. We're just going to duplicate. So there it is. Go up here to your tab, right click, duplicate. And then we're going to go sign out. And then we're going to sign in to our next account, which is number 2 for us. Mailing system, select all. Come all the way down. You're going to highlight the whole thing here. We've already got our email, so we're going to paste it. And then grab our subject line, if I can. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our email, Control C, and then send it. And that's sent, so we're ready for our next account. So we're just going to switch tabs. Number 3, mailing system, select all, come all the way down. We've already got our email copied, so we're going to paste that. Perfect timing. Everything's ready to go on there. We're going to grab our subject line right there. We're going to come down, grab our email. Again, highlight and Control C, and then send it. All right, that's gone. So we'll switch tabs. I'm going to log out and then go to number 4. Mailing system, select all. I'm going to highlight and then Control V. I'm going to come up to subject. We'll go grab our subject line. Control C, Control V to paste. And again, we're going to grab our full email, Control C, and send. All right, so that one's gone. So we're going to do that one more time for our last account. And then if this was all you were doing, then you would wrap up. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V, perfect timing. Go grab our subject. Control C, Control V. This is all ready, so we're good. This will be our last account. This is number 5. All right, there we go. All right, so now you see, so I run this system the same way. It just depends on how many accounts for MLGS. So I do the same thing here with this system that I do with this. But I also will go in and I will promote this with social media as well. So make short form videos. I place some ads here and there, some things like that. And this one's going to be, again, it's going to be the same type of thing. Right now I'm running some traffic. I'm doing some Facebook ads, not paid ads, just free, just putting ads out. They've done really well for this system here. I did make a video here explaining what you need to do to run paid traffic, because the company really doesn't want you to run paid traffic on this one. But it's an easy fix. So I explained that in day 4, and that's exactly what I do and what I've done. So if you want to jump on any of this, go for it. Get in touch with me if you do have questions. My phone number is always below. Yes, it's really my phone number. People text me on it all the time. I get to it whenever I can, for sure. I do not mind. That's the reason it's on here. I will not guarantee it will always be fast to get right back to those, but I will get back to them, I promise. And please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a like on this video if you got any value out of it, or if you like them. You know, we appreciate it. I hope you are getting something out of it. I hope you do like them. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.